Hey there, my name is Tuong. I'm a grade 11 student at St. Joseph's College School, and I will be teaching you today's science experiment, which will be about exploring the freezing point of water. You may have gone fishing for fish before, but have you ever fished for ice? Well, today is your lucky day because that is what we're going to do, fishing for ice. For this experiment, you will need a glass of water, a tablespoon of salt, a stirring stick, a piece of string, a bowl of ice cubes, and lastly, 2 to 3 drops of food coloring. If you are using food coloring, then the first step is to add a couple drops to your glass of water. Then use your stirring stick to mix it together. The next step is to add your ice cubes to your glass. You can do this by using a spoon or using your stirring stick. Take one end of your string and place it on top of the ice cubes. Try to place the string on as many ice cubes as you can. Then add a little bit of salt on the parts where the string meets the ice cubes. After about 20 seconds, carefully lift up the string and watch what happens. As you went through the experiment, what kind of questions went through your mind? Were you wondering why you had to place salt on the ice cubes, or wondering how the ice cubes were able to stick onto the string? The answer ultimately comes down to the freezing point of water. The freezing point of a liquid is the temperature that turns liquid into a solid. The temperature that turns water into ice is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In our experiment, we had to place salt on top of the ice cubes. Why? Well, when salt and water are mixed, it lowers the freezing point of the water, meaning that the water has to become lower than 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit in order to freeze. Since the ice cube can't get any colder than it already is, it melts a small pool of water on top, sinking the string. As the ice cube melts, the salt and water solution dilutes and the freezing point rises up again. The ice refreezes, trapping the piece of string in the process. When the ice cube finally hardens, you can pick up the string and see the final result. And there you have it. Now you know how to fish for ice as well as the science behind it. If you would like to see more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Pueblo Science. If you upload your science experiments online, you can tag us as well. See you next time.